Era così.
Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. It's my own desire. It's my own moment of pleasure. Nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule the world. There's a room where the light won't find you. Holding hands while the walls come tumbling down. When they do, I'll be right behind you. So glad we've almost made it. So sad we had to fade it. Everybody wants to. Everybody wants to. The world.
I'm watching myself drifting away. A vision so dark I cannot stay. I'm reaching out wide, trying to catch myself before I fall. Too little, too late. Can you save me? Where do we go when we walk on light? Who do we call at the edge of the night? Carry me close like the teardrops in your eyes. All I can give you is memories. Carry them with you and I'll never leave. I'll lay my head down, but when I lay my head down, don't let me go. Hold me in your beating heart, I won't let go. Forever is not enough. Let me lay my head down on the shadow by your side. Don't let me go. Hold me in your beating heart. So let me freeze time before it turns cold. The moments go by and life goes on. The torturous stars are taking every breath I wish I'd held. The love in my